dahil 12 teams kasi yun. But the quarterfinals and the semifinals will be here in Canton City. So I have asked our Secretary General to send the official letter of intent to ABC headquarters without me knowing it. That we are bidding to host the ABC Women's Nations Cup next year from June 6 to 13. So yun ang date na nakaschedule next year, 2026. So we have ample time. There's still, of course, some minor improvements in the arena according to the standards of the AVC. And of course, we need to promote that we have many beautiful gymnasiums now outside of Metro Manila. Dati kasi Laguna ang target eh. Ngayon, North naman tayo ngayon. So you have Candon and one another city in Ilocos Sur. So now, also, sinabi ko kay Mayor, I think para naman hindi rin napapagod ang natin, mga players, i-request natin sa Philippine Airlines, lakihan ng aeroplano para makasakay yung mga teams, no? By schedule. I think sa Pacific meron din ata, I'm not so sure. But para less ang nila, and they need to really rest at least 2 days, 3 days before. Kasi 2 days before, dumating ngayon. Next day, training, laro na. So at least kung 3 days, medyo... And I think for them to enjoy the beautiful city of Candon, especially is the Santorini of the North. No? So if you've been to the Santorini, you have a Santorini here. So beautiful, beautiful. We just came from a lunch. It's a beautiful place. It's Alumina. It's beautiful. No? So cove kasi siya. And this hotel is just, what, 1 minute, 500 meters competition hall. So yun ang advantage. So we have to bring more international events in Candon. As I promised the mayor, we'll bring more. There's now flexibility of bringing more events in North of Manila. Since Manila is so crowded, and spectators, they have the chance, the Candon people to watch international class of volleyball. So this is a good inspiration for our youth, no, and the children who like to play volleyball here in Ilocos Sur. So thank you, and magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.